Dumelang, welcome back to Sona class. So today I'm going to be doing a video that I do not know much about, only have limited information in this field, but I realized with the little information that I have might be helpful for anyone who's willing to, learn. So I'm going to be recommending books. Yeah, hey, so I'm not proud of this, but I cannot read. I know how to read, but it's just like I tried. However, I have read a few books that I think I can recommend here today. So those are the books that if I could read, then you probably anyone can read and enjoy. If I have read those books and enjoyed, I feel like you guys might as well enjoy, even for those of you who are like me who say I'm not a reader. The first books are novels. I feel like people all around the world, if they don't know anything about Botswana, they know about these books. I don't know if it's because they were adapted into like a series or something like that, but yeah, a lot of people seem to know these books than anybody else. And I even had a copy that I got from a really remote town in Turkey. So that goes to show you that these books have traveled the world. So I'm talking about books written by Alexander. Wow, that name kind of threw me off. Alexander McCall Smith. He's writing novels about the number one lady detective agency. You probably think that that's the only books that he wrote, but he has written a lot of novels about this whole thing, and it's like a whole series of books. So I haven't gotten a chance to read all of them, but so far I have read 4 of those books, and if I can get a new copy of any of the book after that, I will definitely read it. They are so enjoyable. They are not they're fiction, but they also have like elements of reality of Botswana life in there, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. But if it doesn't make sense, just know I'm not a reader, so what am I talking about? Anyway, yeah, I do hope that you're gonna check out those books. Sorry, I have to like scroll here in front of my camera. And there's another book that I have read actually recently. So I feel like you guys will be able, or whoever wants to read, they will be able to enjoy it. This is like the history of Botswana, captured by Jeff Ramsey, and let me see the names here so I don't mess them up. Fred Merton. They both like, Jeff is like a doctor, talks like history, and here his profile says he's doctor of philosophy, currently working at Livingstone College. He was also like a senior civil servant in Botswana. That's how you call them. So like, yeah, I feel like he's from what I read, and the people who recommended that book that I'm reading right now, it's called The Birth of Botswana. That's like the history before Botswana's independence. So go check out Jeff Ramsey. There's also like a website here. I don't know how official it is, or maybe it's just like a ripping off kind of website. It's called ResearchGate. So maybe check that one out as well, because that's where I think most of Jeff Ramsey's work, you can read them in there for free. So I don't know how. You can buy these books, but also you can read so many other things that Jeff Ramsey is putting out on this. I feel like it's him because it does have all his information right here. So like, yeah, he has written lots and lots of books about history of Botswana that I feel like if you are interested in Botswana, like knowing the before story of Botswana, then this is the guy that you should go to read. Check out his Facebook page as well, Jeff Ramsey. If I don't forget, I'll leave his link down below on his Facebook. That's where you get all the stuff. Losing the World in the Kalahari. There's lots of things that he have written that if you are like a reader, you will definitely enjoy about Botswana. This video is not so bad, not so bad. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe, leave a comment. If you are from Botswana, and there's so many other books, I know there's so many other authors from Botswana that I can just name here that I have not read their books, but I know there's so many authors from Botswana, Botswana authors who are writing different kind of genres of books that if you want to recommend one of them, if you have read, if you are like a reader reading Botswana books from Botswana, please leave them down, leave the comment down below. Let us know which books one can read. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys later. Go fitla re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.